Hello, Neovim is great for taking notes and journaling, and it has a very good spell checker. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all you need to know to use the spell checker, okay? First, how to enable it. You should put this in your config. Beam opt spell equals true, and beam opt spell lang and your language. Okay, then you must restart your config and you will start to notice these misspellings. Now, how to fix one misspelling? You place a cursor in the word and then you press C and equals. You will have these options and you choose one there. Now you can move the ground words around the ground word. You can move forward or backward. To move forward you can use close square bracket and S. And to go backward you can use open square bracket and S. Okay, then maybe you have a new word and you want to add it in the dictionary. You can press C and G. If you notice that there is a wrong word in the dictionary, you can remove it using C and W. And that's it. Very easy.